Literally no one's here. There's this hat, but I can't put it on because I have a hat. But there's a horde of chicken, or whatever this is. I'm not really sure. But let's take this ice cream and go attack people. Doesn't that sound fun? I might be stuck in this hole. Woo! Let's party. I could just party for a bit. Do.
Make you lose control. Music make you lose control.
Okay, anyway, let's go, like, attack people now. Hold on, I should probably get some ketchup on me. I need to find ketchup. Oh, hold on, I have to attack this person. He looks AFK. So, we're just gonna take him. I mean, he's not AFK, but that's fine. Hey, whatever. I'll get someone else. Who has the ketchup? I need ketchup. I need the ketchup. What is that? That's a ball. I got the Bloxy Awards, guys. I got a Bloxy award. I got a Bloxy award. Bro, you cannot. Woo. Can make it. Whoa. I'm talented, guys. I'm just talented. Whoa. Nothing special about me. I'm just talented. You gotta have talent to do this. But it's not practice talent. It's just being born to do it. Like this. See? Woohoo! This is talent, guys. Look, it's the whole thing is talent. No skill. You're just born with this type of talent. Other talents, yeah, sure, you have to practice, I think. But this talent, you just kind of, you're just born with it. You can't have any control over it. Ooh, red paint. What happens if I get into it? Oh. No, my Bloxy award isn't golden anymore. Whatever. Okay, well, that's pleasant, I guess. But because I'm so mad, I'm gonna go kill someone. Not kill, just gonna like throw them around. Like that. Just like that. See, that's what I'm gonna do to them. Oh, I see a target. There's multiple targets, but get over here. Gotcha. I didn't. No! Whatever. Oh my gosh, what's happening? Okay, well, we're going on a mission. I think. What? Let's just go back to the party hole. I don't know where exactly it is, but we'll find it eventually. I am the Jesus bird. That's pleasant.
The what bird?
The Jesus bird.
Wait, can I?
Oh, we found it. Look at me. I'm the Jesus bird. Anyway, hey, what's up? What's up?
I'm the Jesus bird. Nice to meet you.
Come join me. That's my friend. Oh, it's a car. I found a car, guys. Let's hop in the car. Woohoo! Oh gosh. I want someone to make an edit of this. Speed. Full speed ahead. Woo! Come on. Hop in the car. Wee-hoo! Wee-hoo! Hey guys. What's up, baby gals? What's up? Oh, it's the Bloxy Award. It's my Bloxy Award from earlier. Yeah, it's red. It's painted red. I found my Bloxy Award. This is the award for murdering because it's red. Woo! What was that? Nari. Does anyone have ketchup? Hello? Ketchup me. No one has ketchup. Wait, what if people like get mustard? Like, why don't they add mustard, huh? When was this game last updated? I don't know. Anyway. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I think I've lost my talent, sadly. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've lost my talent. Yeah. My only talent is murdering. Hello? Get the big bee in the microwave along with me. It's the ketchup. Everybody move. I need to have the ketchup. Grab the ketchup. No, stop. Stay away from the ketchup. No, the ketchup! The ketchup. The bird who adds too much ketchup. I don't know what's up with this ketchup, but it's strange. Strange ketchup you got there, buddy. Let's go kidnap someone. This is perfect. Oh, well, goodbye then.
Just kidnap somebody. Oh, wait, remember that? Remember that? Hi, I'm this, and this is this.
No, I don't remember that. Wee! It's a train of little birds. And then this ugly bird. Woohoo! The Jesus bird. I forgot that was my name. The Jesus bird.
You said Cheez-Its bird. I'm like, oh my gosh.
Help! Help me! Oh!
Cheez-It bird.
Oh gosh, I'm spinning. They are sacrificing me. Isaac? Someone is yelling. Okay, fine, I'll unsacrifice you.
Oh, unsacrifice.
I'll leave you alone.
How can you unsacrifice somebody?
You just stop kidnapping them. That's what I just did. I mean, sure. Wait, here's the things I was gonna kidnap earlier. This is perfect. Hey guys, I'm just like you. Except I'm going to kidnap you. Coming with me. You're coming with me, buddy. You're my new child. If anyone will kill you or you will kill me, I will go on a murder rampage. Oh, well, I killed him. Who killed him? I mean, sure, I killed him. But who killed my baby? The next person I see, I will get revenge on. I mean, sure, there's people over there, but I don't. Look, this is the person I saw.
You sound like Cedric's dad. Why do you know what his dad said when Harry brought his body back to his father?
What? Woo!
My boy!
We're going on a ride.
It was literally so sad when we were seeing him.
I'm kidnapping you. Oh, gosh. You are the... Okay, yes, I killed him. I got revenge. Whee! A toothbrush! I need to brush my teeth. I need to brush my non-existent teeth. No! Let me grab it. Oh my gosh. Whatever, I have my ice cream. but I literally can't pick up anything except other birds. Can I pick up this chicken? Yes, I picked up the chicken! Woo! I'm taking the chicken in here. No, 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 no. I do not want to go down there. Okay. Help. Okay, I'm fine. I have my chicken by my side. It's completely fine. Hey, where is everyone? This is the party room. This video won't end until I obtain ketchup. You know what? Never mind. Okay, help. Ugh! I mean, sometimes there's people like in there hanging out. Oh, sometimes there's people down here. Party. Okay, I think this is gonna be the end of this video. We got our chicken, we got our party on. We got
Saw these niggas steady jocking cause they know I'm the truth.